Hello friends, welcome to the English class. Today we are learning some sentences regarding tenses. A beautiful definition of tense is given here. Tense is the form of a verb which shows the time at which an action takes place. The past she went, the present she goes, and the future she will go. Means it is a form of a verb that shows the time at which the action takes place. There are 12 types of tenses which are written on the blackboard. The main three tenses are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Let us see the examples one by one. The first one is simple present tense. Gopal works in the garden. The underlined word is a verb and S is added there. The structure is like this: subject plus verb, and if the subject is third person singular, it takes S or ES suffix to the verb. Gopal works in the garden. Suppose the subject is I, then there is no need of adding S to it. I work in the garden. You work in the garden. He, she, it works, and that is why Gopal works in the garden. The second tense is present continuous tense. The action is going on. See the changed verb here. Is and ing suffix is there to the verb. Gopal is working in the garden. Subject plus to be plus verb plus ing is the structure of this type of sentence. Present continuous tense. Then third one is present perfect tense. See the changed verb. Gopal has worked in the garden. So subject plus have or has. I have, we have, you have, he, she, it has, and that is why Gopal has. The past participle of the verb work is used there as worked in the garden. Gopal has worked in the garden. And the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. See, Gopal has, then been is there, then root word and ing. Gopal has been working in the garden. So you have to take have or has after subject, then been is there, and the present participle form is there. Gopal has been working in the garden. So what are the meanings of these sentences in Marathi when you use present tense? Gopal works in the garden means Gopal बागेत काम करतो. Gopal is working in the garden. Gopal बागेत काम करत आहे. Gopal has worked in the garden. गोपालने बागेत काम केलेले आहे. Gopal has been working in the garden. गोपाल बागेत काम करत आलेला आहे. The action has started, it is not completed, that is present perfect continuous tense. Now see the past tense, means the tense which has already gone by. Simple past. Gopal worked in the garden. Only past tense of the verb is to be used here. See the simple present tense works, then the same subject, the verb is changed as worked. Gopal worked in the garden. Then past continuous tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense. Gopal was working in the garden. If you see it carefully, instead of is we have used was. past tense form of is. Gopal was working in the garden. Then the third one is past perfect tense. See here, it was has here, and now you have to change it as had. Gopal had worked in the garden. You have to use had plus past participle of work. And then the fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. Gopal had been working in the garden. See here, Gopal has been working in the present tense. Gopal had been working in the past tense. If you want to see the Marathi meanings of these sentences, see, Gopal worked in the garden. Gopal ने बागेत काम केले. Gopal was working in the garden. गोपाल बागेत काम करत होता. गोपाल had worked in the garden. गोपालने बागेत काम केलेले होते. And Gopal had been working in the garden. गोपाल बागेत काम करत आलेला होता. Only see the verb form is changed here. So after enough practice, ample practice, you will understand the meanings of the sentences and you can use the tenses correctly. Now the third one is future tense. The action that has not happened yet, it is going to happen, means the next action or future action. Simple future tense, Gopal will work in the garden. So addition of shall and will and then work, it makes simple future tense. Gopal will work in the garden. Future continuous tense, Gopal will be working in the garden. So shall be and will be, then root word and ing. Gopal will be working in the garden. Future perfect tense, Gopal will have worked in the garden. Will have is there and then the past participle of work. And the fourth one is future perfect continuous tense, Gopal will have been working in the garden. Gopal will have been working in the garden. See the Marathi meaning of these sentences. Gopal will work in the garden. Gopal बागेत काम करेल. Gopal will be working in the garden. Gopal बागेत काम करत असेल. Gopal will have worked in the garden. गोपालने बागेत काम केलेले असेल. पूर्ण केलेले असेल. Future perfect continuous, Gopal will have been working in the garden. गोपाल बागेत काम करत आलेला असेल. गोपाल बागेत काम करत आलेला असेल. So see the underlined verb here. Works simple present tense, is working present continuous, has worked present perfect and has been working present perfect continuous. Worked simple past, was working past continuous, had worked past perfect and had been working past perfect continuous. And then will work, will be working, will have worked and will have been working, will work simple future, will be working future continuous, will have worked future perfect and will have been working future perfect continuous. So the question is asked in the question paper like this. One sentence is given here as like this. My father went to office. Please identify the tense. If you see it carefully, it is the tense which is given here. Simple part like this. Work, worked, go, went. So it is a simple past tense. And what is the instruction given here? Change into present continuous. You have to change this sentence into present continuous tense, means like this. Gopal is working in the garden, so you have to write the answer. My father is going to office. The root verb of went is go. We have added ing. My father is going to the office. This is the present continuous tense. And then the second example is given here. India wins the match. Identify the tense like this. works. Wins means this is simple present tense. Given sentence is in simple present tense and the instruction is here change into simple future means like this. Simple future like this. So the answer will be India will win the match. Wins win will win. India will win the match. So if you write more and more sentences in simple present or present tense, past tense or perfect tense, after ample practice solving so many examples, you can get the 1 and 2 marks expected here in the question paper. So try more and more sentences and get the full marks. Thank you very much.